So something they always they think, but they forgot that Jesus Christ, he didn't do anything. Like he is innocent, why he died on the cross? Innocent, he is not worthy for the punishment. So why he died on the cross? For your punishment, he took the punishment. For your sake, he became poor on the cross. So your debt was laid on Jesus. So he paid on the cross. So by mistake or your intentionally you placed some investment and gave some money and you lost the money, but he will going to pay you. Who? Jesus Christ. He will pay. Yes, because of you, because of